I was getting all these boxes from the mailman, and it had my curriculum in it. Oh, it's not a dream. My name is Martin. Welcome to my homeschool journey in 2nd grade.
Homeschooling is a unique experience that can be tailor-made to fit the needs of your family. One of the perks of homeschooling is the adjustable time. Regardless of being connected with the charter school or working under a PSA, you choose when, how, where, and what. This type of flexibility can accommodate parent entrepreneurs, parents that work full-time, and parents that are stay-at-home homemakers. With this breath of fresh air, you can relieve some of the stressors that many parents are concerned about regarding the quality of education that will ensure your desired results, all tailored to fit your family.
Don't forget